the DNA. The one who is CP. Do we have any persons from CP? Gentlemen, boys and girls, good evening to each and every one of you, and really thank you so much for coming out tonight. We in the DNA, we are most privileged, and as the leader of this party, let me just say, I am honored to have a person like Christopher Mortimer on the team. I am honored. Because I keep on saying this is not about one person to win this election. This is about a group of persons and group of supporters to make it happen. And when persons like Mr. Christopher Mortimer on the team, we can't do anything but win. I like to say, for the record, men bring it. Men bring it. We bring it, by the way, is everybody got him. No participate. Country. How are we going to run the country? It's going to be simple, you know. It's not rocket science. We are going to put the union. What Quest is doing today with this center, we are going to invest in the greatest resource of this country, which is the people. We are going to put the Hamians in this country. Are you listening to me? And we will invest. I have four plans as well. You know, Christopher has shown his dedication and ready to being a great representative. And the greatest MP we will ever have. I tell you what, he is acting like an MP already. You know, and what he said in his speech was, look, he is in this thing for the long run. And let me just say, this is an example. He's not talking to you. He's showing you. He's going up there and he is doing it. And what is the bottom line? It's people. 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 Unfortunately, the governing party and the former party that really wants to come back. And I think, as Chris said, they're having something on there tonight. But we welcome all here. We thank you for coming here. I thank them, those. We thank them, we thank their leaders. We thank them for what they have done. It's now time for something new to move this country forward. It's time to move this country in a direction that will make us first-world. It's time to move this country so that the Hamians are empowered in their own land, and where they are not feeling like second, third, and even fourth-class citizens in their own country. You see, again, this is the Commonwealth of the what may now that we don't welcome foreigners and other countries from different countries. We too, let me make that absolutely clear, we do. But when it comes down to empowering and opportunities and giving the Hamians their right, they deserve in their own country, we must realize that there cannot be any other way but the Hamians first. Ladies and gentlemen, we are really getting into the campaign season, whether they want to admit it or not. A couple of weeks ago, as Chris said not too long ago, he asked them to ring the bell Well, I ask the good Prime Minister, if he's so confident about winning the next election, bring it now. Bring it now. Bring it now. He failed to answer that. I said, if you're not that confident then, at least give us the date of the election. Because only one man won the election according to the Prime Minister. That is going to change. When we become the government, it's going to be a democratic system that everybody will know the date of the election. We are ready for this election, ladies and gentlemen. We have not named all of the candidates. But if that battle were to win today, we will be ready. Be ready. On the radio, the Philippines, the evidence, Prime Minister, leader of opposition, we are ready. We are ready to become the next government of this country. We are ready to take this country to the first world status. We are ready to make the Haitians first in our own country. We are ready to ensure that the Haitians are empowered. We are ready to ensure that we go back to the foundation of which this country was built. And that is found in the preamble of our Constitution, where they talk about democracy, and they talk about Christian principles and values. That's in the preamble of our Constitution. And that is what the DNA is based on. And you cannot get higher than, there's no law higher than the Constitution of the Bahamas. So ladies and gentlemen, we are looking to you to help us ensure that Christopher Mortimer becomes the next MP for the great constituency of Seaboys. As a matter of fact, I told the President MP when I was in the House of Assembly the other day, we were having a little talk. Like I said, you spend a lot of time on the House of Assembly, you better get in your constituency, because there's one fellow I know with Christopher Mortimer in the next few months will be the MP in the area. Goodbye, Mr. President and people of the area, the sky level. To do what is right for the Bahamian people. I said, God will be. We will be. Ensure all of our resources the next government of the country. Ladies and gentlemen, we ask you to make sure it's done. We ask you to prioritize for it to happen. I want to thank you for coming out. I want to thank you so much. You know, I told most people privately, I said, you know, this really, I'm going to petition for this to be actually the headquarters for the DNA. Very good. Many more to them. May God bless each and every one of you tonight. Make sure if you're not ready to shut your vote, you still can do it. We're out there.